In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting. If you know the best date and time, you can go ahead and schedule it, or you can ask participants what times work for them to determine the best meeting time for everyone. A quick note about time zones. Dates and times in Lucid meetings display based on each person's preferred time zone, language, and time format of 12 or 24-hour time. As a meeting facilitator, you select the meeting's time zone when scheduling a meeting. Everyone invited to the meeting who has set their preferred time zone will see meetings in their local time. To schedule a meeting for a specific time, click on the Add Meeting link at the top, and if there is a flyout menu, choose the room where the meeting will occur. Above the calendar, click on the Meeting Type menu to choose a template, then click on the blue Schedule Meeting button. Set the meeting title, date, and time, and if this is a recurring meeting, check the box that says Repeat. Select how often the meeting will repeat in the pull-down menu, then select the frequency and on what days of the week the event will repeat. You can then select an end date to your recurring meeting. Setting an end date about 3 months out is a best practice. This way you won't be adding too many events to your team members' calendars. If some or all attendees are meeting in person, add a physical location to the location field. Next, choose your preferred audio or video conferencing and click Save and Next. Select the people you'd like to invite, then edit your agenda as needed. Once your meeting looks ready, click the blue Send Invitation Email button. Add a personal message or additional instructions, review the options, and click Send Email. You can also find a meeting date that works for everyone. Say, for example, you have a development team that works in different time zones or a sales team that's always traveling. It's a lot easier to have them tell you the best times they're available rather than trying to figure out everyone's calendar or spending time emailing a bunch of dates around. To send out a scheduling request, click the Add Meeting button at the top, choose the correct room, select a template, and then click the green Arrange a Time button. Choose a meeting title, location, time zone, and estimated duration. Then choose multiple meeting dates and times. Select the people you'd like to invite in the next step, and then once your meeting looks ready, you can click on Send Meeting Notices. Participants can then log in to select their preferred meeting dates and times. Based on their responses, you can do a few different things. Set the meeting time to the most preferred option by clicking See Current Replies. Once you see everyone's availability, click Set Meeting Date and choose the preferred time. Or, if none of the proposed times work, you can click on Start Over. You can then select a new set of dates and send out new notices. Lastly, if you know the date and time, you can go ahead and set a date by selecting Schedule Meeting from the Actions menu beside the meeting title. If you need to change an already scheduled meeting date, you would click on the menu link in the top left corner and click on Meetings. Click on the meeting title to get to the meeting homepage, and in the Actions menu beside the meeting title, select Reschedule Meeting. Select a new date and time and click Save and Next. You will then have an opportunity to resend invitations, which will make sure that everybody gets the new meeting date set correctly on their calendars. To cancel an already scheduled meeting, you would first go to the meeting's homepage, then in the Actions menu next to the meeting title, select Cancel Meeting. Confirm that you want to cancel the meeting, and you're set. If you decide to delete a meeting, you would follow the same process, except choose Delete Meeting. If you are deleting a recurring meeting, the dialog box will look a little different. You can choose to delete the entire series or just one meeting in the series. You can also choose to send a cancellation email in this step. One more thing to note, if you'd like to change the basic information about a recurring meeting, such as the title, meeting template, location, or audio selection, you can do so by selecting Edit Series Template. To learn more about how your team can consistently run organized, engaging, and successful meetings, check out our website at www.lucidmeetings.com, and if you haven't already, sign up for a trial account today. Thanks.